In this video we will discuss about computer most important questions. 1. Which is not an input device? A. Scanner. B. Mouse. C. Printer. D. Keyboard. Answer: printer. 2. Function of output unit is: A. Receives instruction. B. Process the instruction. C. Control the system. D. Display the result. Answer: display the result. 3. Example of volatile memory is: A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. CD. Answer: RAM. 4. Which one is called as main memory? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. D. None of the above. Answer: RAM. 5. Which one is not an output unit? A. Joystick. B. Monitor. C. Printer. D. All of the above. Answer: joystick. 6. Which is known as brain of computer system? A. RAM. B. CPU. C. ALU. D. Control unit. Answer: CPU. 7. Which one performs functions related to calculation? A. ALU. B. CPU. C. CU. D. All of the above. Answer: ALU. 8. Which one gives the instructions to all units of a computer system? A. CPU. B. ALU. C. CU. D. All of the above. Answer: CU. 9. CPU is the abbreviation of: A. Control processing unit. B. Control power unit. C. Central processing unit. D. None of the above. Answer: central processing unit. 10. Personal computer can be used in which fields? A. Education. B. Business. C. Entertainment. D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. 11. Communication network is used by large organization over regional national global area is: A. LAN. B. WAN. C. MAN. D. WAN. Answer: WAN. 12. Group of more than one programs and instruction in known as: A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Humanware. D. All of the above. Answer: software. 13. Which is not an example of system software?